go easy, or the results can become ludicrous. Take advantage of what's there. Accentuate the good points. Minimize the others. Foundation is used as a base for the rest of your makeup. Work the foundation from the center of the face toward the hairline using gentle upward strokes. Make sure it's blended evenly. Dark circles under the eyes are often caused by not enough sleep and lack of iron. To cover them up, use a foundation 2 or 3 tones lighter than your base, or a highlighting cream. Blush is applied to give cheeks a quiet glow. A good rule to follow is never let blush come nearer the nose than an imaginary line dropped vertically from the center of the eye. Blush should be applied from the center of the cheek outward and up into the temples. Powder sets and blends your makeup. The simplest powder to use is a colorless, translucent one. Pat on liberally. Wait for the powder to set. Then, with another clean powder puff, brush away excess. Eyebrows frame the eye and focus interest on them. The color of your eyebrow pencil should be as close as possible to your natural color. Only the darkest brunettes should use a black pencil. A lid highlight with a creamy pale shade is flattering to most eyes. Never wear bright, obvious evening colors. For contour and emphasis, a taupe or brown shade is placed into the lid crease and just above the lid. Eyeliner is used to make the lashes seem longer. There should be no hard, obvious line. Apply as close to the lashes as possible. Mascara makes lashes look longer and fuller. To apply lipstick, prop your elbows firmly on the table. A subtle color is the most becoming. Start from the center of the upper lip, drawing a smooth curve to the outer corner. On the lower lip, start at the corner and come to the center with a brush laid flat. Fill in with the brush or the lipstick itself.